Look at you. I come home from work, and you don't do nothing. You're wearing my hat, you're in my chair. You shut up, Oscar, okay? I found you in Chicago in a dumpster, okay? With a Hennessy bottle. I mean, Nubs, you don't, like really, you told me you had a job at a warehouse, and you didn't do anything, okay? You're sitting here, wearing my hat, in my chair, you smell like a dead chicken, okay? Because you hardly shower in my house. My whole house stink. My house stink. Okay? You happy? You're happy. And you don't even encourage it. You don't encourage. He stinks. He's stinking you out too. Like really, Oscar, come on, hello. Use your noodle. But I told you I was gonna give you room and board. All you gotta do is get a job, okay? And help out around the house, do a little dusting, okay? Nothing. You stink. You stink. Okay? My pets don't even want to go near you. You smell like roadkill. You don't shower. You don't cook. Nothing. You give me nothing. But you give me agita. Okay? You give me agita. Ay, ay, ay. All I wanted to do was come home and watch a movie. But no. No. I gotta clean up your mess. And your cereal bowl. Okay? This is not 1987, okay? We don't have bowls this big anymore for cereal. Well, maybe I do. But I could do that. I told you to let it go with Chucky, okay? He's gone. But no. He even killed Tommy. But no. You don't listen. What happened to you? What happened to you? Your eyes look like 2 egg yolks. You stink. I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. Like, really. Nubs, we gotta talk. This is not flying, man. Really. You told me you had a job, that you're gonna do something to help me out because I helped you out. But nothing. Shut up. It's not funny. He stinks. Give him some Lysol or something. Come on, you're home. You give me nothing. You give me agita. Wanted to come home to watch a movie, but no, we can't have that here. We can't have that. Right? Since I took you in, everybody thinks that it's all fun and games here. That we have fun. We play cards. We play some video game. No, it's agita and stress you give me. And you stink. Like really, you really stink. I don't know if it smells like a dead chicken or a rotten dude foot. Like really. Well, we gotta come to some kind of... Listen, I can't deal with this no more. I can't. Shut up, you. You make my dogs bark, you see? So, we gotta do something here. Because you stink. You stink. You think it's all fun and games, but it's not. It's not. They're giving me agita. They're giving me agita. This one and that one. Look at him. They don't do nothing. Look at his eyes. They look like 2 egg yolks. And he stinks. It's like soap and water, but they don't believe in it. You think it's all fun and games. You say, oh, Ricky's having fun. No. Him. Ever since I took this punk in, nothing but stress. He's making my house stink. You know what a dead dude foot is smells like? That's him. What is egg yolks for eyes? Egg yolks and phlegm and snot. It's gross. And he snores. And he farts. He farts. Oh, sweet baby Jesus, does he fart and it smells. God, it's like an unholy smell coming out of that anus. It stinks. But it's not all fun and games here at Ricky's Mysterious House of Horror. No, it's stressful. Look at that. Dude, you might wear some glasses or something, Ray-Bans. You're gross. I gotta go. So, goodbye. You're giving me stress. Can't help it. You'll make me start smoking again.